Good morning, children. Again, you are welcome in our class. English subject English, 10th RBSc. Yesterday, I have explained you, I have told you the summary of the chapter, the imp and the pigeon's braid. In this chapter, what I have told you that it is a story of an innocent farmer who is plowing his field, living a peaceful life with his children. But a peasant is a imp, जो लिटिल डेविल जो है, he wanted to spoil his life. किस तरीके से उसकी ज़िंदगी को spoil किया उसने, that he show him the wrong way to make a progress. जैसे उसकी एडवाइसेस थी, उसको दी गई थी कि आप इस जगह पे ये बो, उस टाइम पे ये बो बोल के, है ना. और इन दैट सेम वे ही हैड अ मोर ग्रेन, उसके पास ज़्यादा ग्रेन हो गई. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, ही हैड रूइंड हिज लाइफ बाय मेकिंग वोडका. जो ड्रिंक बनाई उसने, उसको एंजॉय किया, और किस तरीके से वो ही चेंज इनटू ए वाइल्ड एनिमल. I will tell you about this story. I will explain you each and every word and sentences also, so that you can get this. Okay, but what was the message in this story? We should always keep in your mind that whatever we want, that should be enough for us. हमारे पास enough होना चाहिए. If we are having more than we are wanted, इसका मतलब हम उसको क्या करेंगे, वेस्ट करेंगे. तो we should be satisfied what we are having. Now children, story tells, a poor peasant went off early one morning to plow, taking with him for his breakfast is a piece of bread. A farmer, poor. Early morning he used to go to plow his field, and he was carrying bread as a breakfast with him. He got his plow ready, हल तैयार किया, put his coat round the bread के चारों तरफ, hid it under a bush, started work. bush के नीचे छुपा दिया और she started to work. After a while, when his horse was tired and he was hungry, who felt hungry? The peasant. The peasant stopped plowing, let the horse loose to feed. Horse को भी छोड़ दिया so that he can feed something, and went to get his coat and his breakfast. जहाँ उसने अपना breakfast रखा था, वहाँ लेने के लिए वो चला गया. Got it? He lifted the coat, but the bread was gone. जब उसने coat उठाया, the bread was missing. I will explain you. He looked and looked, turned the coat over and shook it. उसको हिलाया भी coat को. But the bread was gone. The peasant could not understand this at all. Peasant was unable to understand what happened with him. That's strange, he thought. Because bread was missing and nobody was there. That's why he was thinking that is strange. I saw no one. I haven't seen anybody here. Yet someone has been here and he has taken the bread. कि कोई यहाँ पे था. And what happens? He had taken the bread. It was an imp who had stolen the bread. Who had stolen the bread? Imp. It was an imp who had stolen the bread while the peasant was plowing. While the peasant was plowing, and imp had taken the bread. And at that moment, he was sitting behind the bush. Or who was sitting behind the bush? The imp was sitting behind the bush. And he was watching everything. सब कुछ देख रहा था वो. Waiting to hear the peasant swear. वो स्वेट कर रहा था कि मैंने इसकी ब्रेड चुरा ली तो मुझे यहाँ पे वो गालियाँ मिलेगी, ठीक है, बद्दुआएं मिलेगी मुझे. And call on the name of the devil. The peasant was sorry to lose his breakfast. But peasant थोड़ा दुखी हुआ. He was little bit we can say upset because he had lost his breakfast. It cannot be helped, said he. After all, I shall not die of hunger. कोई बात नहीं. What did he think? He thought that maybe I'm not going to die because of hunger. No doubt, whoever took the bread needed it. And what he was saying, कि whoever taken the bread, needed it more than me. That is why he had taken the bread. May it do him good. May it will help him. He went to the well, had a drink of water and rested for a while. कुएं पे गया, had drunk water and had taken some rest. Then he caught his horse, fastened to it, बांधा उसको, to the plow, हल से, and began plowing again. उसको he was not too much worried about that. He was thinking that somebody has taken and he needed more than me. तो वो क्या किया? He had went near the well and पानी पिया and take some rest there and started his work again. The imp was upset because he had not made the peasant do wrong. Who was upset? Imp. क्यों? What? He was expecting something wrong from the peasant. कि कुछ गलत बोलेगा या कुछ मुझे कुछ बोलेगा वो. But the peasant did not do this type of activity. That is why peasant was upset. And he went to the devil, his master, to report what had happened. Where did the imp go? He had gone to the master of his master to report the matter, what happens. He came to the devil and told how he had taken the peasant's bread. He just went near the devil and he informed him all the incident. He told him. And how the peasant, instead of swearing, कुछ बुरा भला कहने के बजाय, he said, may it do him good. बोला कि ये तो चलो किसी के लिए तो काम आई है. Who was saying these words? The imp was saying to devil. The devil was angry and replied, as usual. Who becomes angry? Devil. If the man got the better of you, यदि मैन तुमसे बेटर तरीके से है, it was your own fault. ये तुम्हारा fault है. You don't understand your business. What he was saying? You fool person. You don't understand your business. If the peasants and their wives, अगर peasant और उनकी पत्नियां do that kind of thing, we shall be lost. हम तो खत्म है. The matter can't be left like that. ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. That matter can't be left like that. ऐसा matter को अपने छोड़ नहीं सकते ऐसे. Go back at once and make things right according to him. According to the devil, these were the wrong things. कह रहा है कि सही चीजें करो. सही क्या? गलत काम करो. If in 3 years you don't get the better of the peasant, अगर उसको फायदा नहीं उठाया, अच्छा नहीं मिला तुझे peasant से, I will have you thrown into holy water. मैं तुम्हें holy water में फेंक दूंगा. और एक पवित्र जो वाटर होता है उसमें, शुद्ध. तो that was the report of imp to the devil कि I am unable to we can say change the peasant. Then the devil said to him, ordered him that you should go back and try to change him. Otherwise, I am giving you 3 years. Otherwise, I will throw you into the holy water. The imp was frightened. Yes. Who was frightened? Imp. He hurried back to the earth, thinking how he could make up for his mistake. जल्दी से अर्थ पे आया. Was thinking how he can make his mistakes. He thought and at last he thought of good plan. सोचा and made a plan. At last he made a plan. He changed himself into a working man and went to work with the poor peasant. What did he do? He changed himself, disguised himself in a working man and went with the poor peasant. The first year he advised the peasant to sow corn in a low-lying damp place. पहले साल उसने जो corn थी, उसने low-lying damp place जो कम dry होता है, got it? जो ज़्यादा सूखा नहीं होता, वहाँ पे उसे बोने के लिए बोला. The peasant took his advice and sowed there. Peasant ने उसकी advice ली और वहाँ पे अपना अनाज बो दिया. The year happened to be a very dry one. और fortunately वो साल that was the dry year. On the crops of the other peasants were all burned up by the sun. तेज धूप से all the other peasants crops was burned, जल गई वो, was burned. But peasants corn grew, we can say, thick and tall and heavy with grain. क्यों? That was the advice of him to the peasant कि जो डैम प्लेस है उस पर फसल उगाओ. और उसी साल क्या हुआ? सूखा, बहुत ज़्यादा तेज गर्मी या धूप से फसल जल गई दूसरों की, और उसकी फसल अच्छी हुई. Not only had he enough grain, who had enough grain? The peasant, to last him for the whole year, but he had also much to spare. न केवल पूरी साल की थी उसके पास और भी ज्यादा थी इससे. The next year the imp advised the peasant to sow on the hill. नेक्स्ट ईयर imp ने क्या एडवाइस दी कि हिल पे लगाओ, हिल पे अपनी फसल उगाओ. And it happened to be a wet summer. और उस साल क्या हुआ? Wet summer, एकदम से गीला, बोले तो बरसात हुई. Other people's corn was beaten down and the ear did not fill. दूसरों की फसल खराब हो गई. But the peasant's crop on the hill, लेकिन peasant की फसल कहाँ थी? हिल पे. Was a fine one, वो अच्छी हुई. He had more grain to spare than before, so he did not know what to do with it all. अब क्या हुआ? As a result, what happens? The peasant had more grain that he needed. क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर उसकी फसल बची, सबकी खराब हो गई, उसने डैम्प में लगाई. सेकेंड ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ एडवाइस ऑफ वी कैन से पीजेंट imp की एडवाइस से उसने क्या किया? हिल पे अपनी फसल बोई, तो उसकी फसल ज्यादा हो गई. सो देन the imp showed the peasant how he could crush the grain and make vodka from it. अब देखो उसका शैतानी दिमाग काम करने लग गया. उसने peasant को एडवाइस दी कि you should crush the grain and make a vodka, शराब बना दो इसकी. And peasant made vodka and began to drink it himself and to give it to his friends. And what as a result, peasant started to make a vodka. And not only he was drinking that, he used to give this drink to other. So the imp went to the devil. What happens? Imp went to the devil, his master, and claimed proudly that he had now succeeded where he had failed before. What did he say? What did he say? He said that कि जब वहाँ मैं फेल हुआ था वहाँ पे मुझे आप सक्सेस मिली है. Now I am succeeded. The devil said that he would come and see for himself, but the devil did not admit that, and he said to him, "No, I would go there and I would see there." He came to the peasant's house and showed that the peasants had invited his wealthy friends. He came to the peasant's house. किसके घर पे गया? Peasant के घर पे. And show, और देखा that the peasant had invited his wealthy friends and was giving them drink. वहाँ पे हो रही थी पार्टी. And who invited these people? Peasant. Peasant had invited them and they were enjoying the party and giving the drinks. His wife was offering the drink to guests. As she took it round, she fell against the table and glass full splashed onto the floor. Who was offering drink to the guest? His wife. जैसे ही उसने राउंड लिया, टेबल से टकराई, वो गिर गई. एक भरा हुआ ड्रिंक का ग्लास गिर गया और टूट गया. शराब भी नीचे गिर गई. The peasant spoke angrily to his wife. Who becomes angry? The peasant. And what did he say? And began to carry the drink to his guest himself. Okay. The peasant spoke angrily to his wife. What are you doing, you foolish woman? These were the words which were spoken by the peasant. अपनी ही वाइफ को foolish woman बोल रहा है. Do you think that this good drink is dirty water that you can pour all over the floor? What he was saying? Are you thinking this is a dirty water? दिस इज नॉट अ डर्टी वाटर, इट्स अ ड्रिंक, और तुमने सारा फर्श पे डाल दिया। यू केयरलेस क्रिएचर, दीज वर द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द पेजेंट टू हिज beloved, अपनी वाइफ को बोल रहा था वो, यानी शराब ने अपना काम करना शुरू कर दिया था। द imp मेड अ साइन टू द डेविल हिज मास्टर, अपनी डेविल मास्टर को साइन किया उसने। सी ही सेड दैट इज द मैन हु मेड मी ट्रबल व्हेन ही लॉस्ट हिज ओनली पीस ऑफ ब्रेड, ये वही इंसान है दैट हु हैड लॉस्ट वन पीस ऑफ ब्रेड एंड ही डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग टू मी एट द टाइम, एंड नाउ द मैन इज रिब्यूकिंग स्कॉल्डिंग हिज वाइफ ओनली फॉर वन ग्लास ऑफ drink. The man have completely changed. The peasant still shouted angrily at his wife. Again, who was shouting angrily? The peasant. He was still shouting angrily at his wife and began to carry the drink to his guest himself. क्या किया? उसको वाइफ को रोक दिया और अपना खुद गेस्ट को परोसने लग गया। Just then a poor peasant who had not been invited, a poor peasant also came there, but the man was not invited, came in on his way from work, अपने काम से आया था वो, काम कर आया था। He greeted everyone, sat down and showed that they were drinking, उसने सभी को ग्रीट किया, अभिवादन, and sat down, and what he was watching that they are drinking. He was tired after his day's work. Who was tired? The peasant, the person who came in the party, unwanted guest, and felt that he would like a drop of vodka. उसने भी feel किया कि if somebody would give me a drop of vodka. He sat, getting thirstier and thirstier. वो बैठा रहा, थ्रस्टियर एंड थ्रस्टियर, प्यासा मर रहा था वो। बट द होस्ट डिड नॉट, यानी होस्ट का मतलब जो घर वाला था वो, मेजबान, द होस्ट डिड नॉट ऑफर हिम एनी बट ओनली सेड आई कैन नॉट फाइंड ड्रिंक फॉर एवरीवन हु कम्स हियर, कह रहा कि मैं यहाँ जो आ जाते हैं उसके लिए मेरे पास कोई ड्रिंक नहीं है, ठीक है, because he was unwanted guest, he was not invited in the party, and the peasant was tired, बेचारा थका हुआ था for day's work, he also wanted to drink something else, that is why he was waiting there, but he was not given anything to drink, और उसके बाद में उसको तो rebuke भी कर दिया। This pleased the devil, इन चीजों से कौन खुश होता है पता है आपको? devil. But the imp laughed happily and said, wait, there is more to come yet. But imp was laughing, and what he was saying? Yes, there is more to come. Wait and watch. The rich peasants drank and their host drank too. Rich peasant drank and their host also drank. And they began to say nice things about each other. And what happens? They began to say nice things about each other. They were drinking, first पैग लिया हुआ, and made speeches full of lies. झूठी बढ़ाई, ड्रिंक कर रहे थे, फर्स्ट ग्लास लिया था तो एक दूसरे की प्रशंसा कर रहे थे, वो भी झूठी। The devil listened and praised the imp. The devil was listening and praising the imp. सुन रहा था और इम्प को क्या कर रहा था? प्रेज कर रहा था। If the drink make them so much like foxes that they begin to cheat each other, soon they will all be in our hands. कह रहा है कि अगर ड्रिंक उनको फॉक्सेस की तरह बना सकती है, यहाँ पे फॉक्सेस इज यूज्ड फॉर क्लेवरनेस, जो लोमड़ी होती है वो चालाक होती है। इन दैट सेम वे ही वाज सेइंग कि इफ ड्रिंक मेड देम द फॉक्स, आगे तो और कुछ भी हो सकता है ना, दे विल बी इन आवर हैंड, मतलब होता है दे वुड बी इन आवर कंट्रोल। गॉट इट? इज दैट क्लियर? देन थिंक व्हाट डिड द वी कैन से imp said to him, wait फॉर व्हाट इज कमिंग सेड द इम्प, इम्प ने कहा वेट करो, समथिंग इज ऑल्सो कमिंग, कुछ और हो रहा है। लेट देम ड्रिंक अनदर ग्लास ईच, नाउ दे आर लाइक फॉक्सेस, कह रहा कि एक ग्लास और पीने दो। नाउ दे आर लाइक फॉक्सेस, अभी तो वो किसकी तरह हैं, फॉक्स की तरह हैं। ओके, shaking their tails and trying to please each other, but soon you will see them like fierce wolves. But when they would drink another glass, they would become like a wolves, वो भेड़ियों की तरह बिहेव करेंगे। Is that clear everybody? So what we have discussed कि एक जो ड्रिंक है उसने सारा सिस्टम खराब कर दिया उसका, अपनी वाइफ को रिब्यूक किया उसने, है ना, ही हैज वी कैन से अपने आप पे कंट्रोल ही नहीं था उसका। तो आज इतना ही है, कल और पढ़ेंगे। ओके, बाय।